What's up people, what's up viewers, my name is your Chain and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is always important for you to like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Now, Nicki Minaj is going off on two Jamaican public figures, radio personnel or vloggers. They are both on the right side of the screen, Naro the male and Harry the female. And by the way, the comments were made about these two songs on the screen, Nicki Minaj Likkle Miss remix with Skeng and Nicki Minaj Likkle Miss featuring Skeng, the Fine Nine remix. And the Fine Nine is actually a group which include Nicki Minaj herself, Spice, Destra Garcia, Patrice Roberts, Lady, Leshurr, Pamputtae, Dovey Magnum, Mercedez, and London Hill. Now, before I get into what Nicki Minaj actually said, I'm going to show you guys what they say. I'm going to show you guys why Nicki Minaj made her comments. This is it.
So, Nicki's Fine Nine. Did you hear about this remix, Naro?
I heard about the remix.
Okay, so Nicki Minaj has released a new remix of Skeng's, I don't think it's Skeng's anymore, but Skeng's Likkle Miss on Thursday, October 6th. Dubbed the Fine Nine remix, the ensemble features Spice, Pamputtae, Mercedez, Dovey Magnum, London Hill, Lady Leshurr, Destra Garcia, and Patrice Roberts. The new release still includes original vocals from Skeng on the Drop Top and the Truth Records produced rhythm. In an Instagram live on Wednesday, Minaj shared what motivated her to make the collaboration happen. I've always been a lover of dancehall music. I grew up on dancehall music, so I know I'm back in a good place as a human and as an artist when I begin to fall in love again with things I originally fell in love with before I became a rapper, she said. A lot of these artists, to me, they don't get their just due. They've paved the way for inspiring some of your favorite artists, she said to her followers. So, Naro, do we love this new remix?
I wouldn't say love, but I would say that I'm mixed about it. As you mentioned earlier, is this even Skeng's song anymore? Even though I'm glad that there is a semblance of him left on the song. But this is not Skeng's song anymore, this is Nicki Minaj's song.
Fully.
With that being said, I can only seek to praise this, even though that I've expressed being mixed on it, but on the positive side of things, when have we seen this amount of female artists on one song? And I think that the only person who could have done this was a Nicki Minaj.
Of course.
I don't think anybody else could have get Spice and
Dovey
Magnum on one song. And it took Nicki Minaj to do it. I can't also help but wonder if this was done in an effort to deflect attention away from her divisive nature, at least how people have her as being divisive in the female rap game. Because you know there's a bag of things are going on right now within the female rap
of
game,
course, yeah.
which she seemingly in the
I follow the Shade Room. I follow Baller.
So I can't help but think if this is some way to deflect from that. But either way, I like it for what it is. All the ladies did their thing on it. I want to especially shout out Pamputtae. I think that you know me, some of them type of lyrics that it kind of get tired from time to time, but she really do her thing on it. Her delivery and her flow on it was really good. And yeah, shout out all the ladies there. They all did their thing. And if you're a female in dancehall or you do Caribbean music, you probably feel a little way if you were not artists. You know what I mean? So this was like the Avengers of ladies coming together. It was a good look for Caribbean music on a whole.
All right. Well, yeah. For the most part, I agree with you that it's no longer Skeng's song. Obviously, it's Nicki Minaj's song. But I'm glad though that Skeng is credited at least on this remix, this version of the remix, as well as the producers who, you know, they're doing great. They're gonna get credited either way. So you know, it's I see that it's charted #1 on iTunes, and I think it soon probably get charted on Billboard. Cause let me just confirm here.
I think it's #1 on hip hop iTunes. I think.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
If I remember correctly.
So she said that the chart data tweeted Nicki Minaj extends her record as the rapper with the most #1 song in US iTunes history, and 31. And you know, the blurb on Shade Room says that this is majority of the 13 women on her Little Miss and Super Freaky Girl remixes their first #1. So it's a good look again for, as you said, Spice, Dovey Magnum, Pamputtae, the feat. I love the song.
Now let's get into what Nicki Minaj had to say. Nicki Minaj made her comments under that video on YouTube, and this is what she said. Imagine sitting up there with all this hate in your face and body language to speak on something so positive. Is it still Skeng's song? Skeng just made history on both iTunes US All Genres and iTunes Hip Hop. He just made history on Billboard Digital Song Sales Chart. Shouted him out at the VMAs during my Vanguard Award acceptance speech and spoke on him in a recent interview. Been promoting his music on IG for months before I even met him or worked with him. I did an entire video to the version with just he and I. Paid for out my pocket, not by a label. I speak to him multiple times a week. Our relationship is way beyond a song. Hey boy, I guess this emoji mean I'm rich. I do what I want, not what I need. Deflect, divisive. You think I give a F about someone saying who I do and don't work with? They have said far worse. I've been supporting dancehall since before my first album. Put Beenie Man on my first album. I did this out of the love I have for Skeng, dancehall, and the talented woman featured. I sit back with my feet kicked up. I could never do another song ever again in life and tour around the world for the next 100 years if I wanted to. I don't do music to prove points. I do music because music is my passion, my peace, my gift to share with the world. You think this is hurting Skeng? Idiot. Fully done. Introducing millions of new people to him hurts him? Does it hurt the producers? How could y'all sound so bitter and literally try to find something bad to say? Referring to Spice as Bestie got her featured in that snide way. What type of low vibration thing on the depan? Fix up on yourself, it don't look good. I would tell uno figure suck out uno big P mother, but I have too much respect for you both. I'm happy for you, keep shining, but one thing, don't ever play with me again. Queen, icon, blessed, highly favored, boss, samurai mind, they move on my time. They watch me, they want to be me. Likkle Miss Obsession, Jano Star, I'm very disappointed in you both. Shout out to the woman who made this such a dope experience and bodied their verses. Talent over every bumbleclad thing. Maddest Life, Ratty Gang, Port of Spain to Spain Town. Now, people viewers, y'all heard what Nicki Minaj had to say. Now, me personally looking at this situation, Thursday the 13th of October, I'm thinking that they should have looked at the bigger picture, and it is impossible for Nicki Minaj to take Skeng out of his own song or to not give credit to Skeng on a song that he created. And also, even though we know where Naro and Ari was coming from, I think that more people, there are also ways I can look at it that this is not Nicki Minaj's song either. This is the Fine Nine song. Respectfully, this is Nicki Minaj did not sing for the entire 6 minutes, for entire 5 minutes, for entire 4 minutes, for entire 3 minutes. No. And I'm not saying that this is my view. I'm just saying that others can logically look at it from that point of view. But in total, Skeng made the song. It is a Skeng song. It is titled A Remix for a Reason. Now, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Leave your comments in the comment section. My name is YIP. Follow me on Instagram. My name is YIP, and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is always important for you to like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Big up on yourself.